Hey, we're going to take a quick look at this Rode NT USB microphone and see if it's any good. Alright, let's unbox this. This is the Rode NT USB Mini. And I'm not recording with it right now. I'm recording with my Galxy S22 Ultra. So we'll compare the audio. See what we got inside the box. Manual, safety stuff. Okay, the mic is just in here. Ooh, it is small. It's very small. This is the Mini after all. Oh, I gotta pull these out first. Okay. Ooh. How does this even work? Ooh. Oh, it's all one unit. Okay. So I guess these just all come out together. Like that. Alright. And then we separate it like that, I guess. That's a bit weird. Okay. No? Alright, we just pull this out. Alright, so there we have our USB-C cable. Anything else in any of the others? No, just a desiccant packet, which... a Rode branded desiccant packet. Very nice. And there's the microphone. Well, that's it. It's been unboxed. It's really... Oh, what's that? Ooh, it's magnetic. Whoa, that is a strong magnet. Okay. So, yeah, it's fully unboxed. Now, I'll go set this up at my desk, and we'll test out the audio quality. Again, what you're hearing right now is from my S22 Ultra and not the Rode. So we'll go to the desk now. The spaghetti mess of cables at my desk. And we can see here, we have our USB-C input and a headphone jack if we want to use that. And yeah, it's quite nice. It sits very good on my desk. So I've got it plugged in, and we'll just go to Audacity and give it a test. Boy, I sure do love being inside this fancy computer. A mini tests later. Boy, I sure do love being inside this fancy computer. Boy, I sure do love being inside this fancy computer. Boy, I sure do love being inside this fancy computer. Boy, I sure do love being inside this fancy computer. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the results of the NT USB microphone. And I'm also pretty surprised with the Macbook Pros audio. It's unreasonably good for a MacBook internal microphone. It's really nice, actually. But I can't use that microphone when it's on my desk because I keep my computer closed. So this is a great option for when I'm working at my desk, and I can use it with my PC as well. And I should also mention, my S22 Ultra also sounds shockingly good, but it's a $2,000 smartphone. You'd hope it sounds good. So as for my other mics, well, they sound awful. The Logitech webcam that I'm using right now, its internal mic is hot garbage, and when added with my wireless headset, it's, well, this is even worse. It sounds like I'm on a telephone from the 1980s. So overall, the Rode is an improvement over those microphones. But if you have a MacBook Pro and you don't use it at your desk, or you use it at your desk open, its microphone is reasonably good, and you can get away with using that instead of getting this. But overall, this is fit for purpose, and I can recommend it. So if you're in the market, pick one up, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm not sure if I'll do more reviews like this, but, I'm just uploading when I can. Well, that was exciting. If you liked the video, subscribe, and if you didn't, don't. Who cares? Anyway, click on the video on the right, too. You might really like it.